Hello children, today I am going to start the next lesson, that is lesson number 2, ear to ear. Look at the picture. Look at those animals. I think that the animals are having a meeting. Yes, they are also listening carefully. But how do we listen? We hear or listen with the help of our ears. Elephants have very big ears. It looks like a fan. Let us find out more about different animals, how they are different from each other. Animals have different shaped ears because each animal group are adapted to their specific environment and needs. Are these animals looking funny? The artist has drawn wrong ears on the heads of the animals. Give correct ears to the animals in the space given below. Look at the elephant. The elephant has mouse ears. Rabbit has dog's ears. Mouse has giraffe's ear. And giraffe has elephant's ear. And dog has rabbit's ear. Buffalo has a deer's ear. And deer has buffalo's ears. All these are mismatch. You have to give correct ears to the animals in the space given below. Go to next page. Different animals have different kinds of ears. Among the animals given below, which one have ears that you can see? In which animals you cannot see the ears? Write in the table below. Animals whose ears we can see: deer, tiger, pig, buffalo, giraffe, elephant, cat. Animals whose ears we cannot see: frog, fish, ant, crow, lizard, snake, duck, sparrow. Do you think that the animals whose ears we cannot see really do not have ears? Let us observe this picture. Name the animals in the picture. Can you see their ears? They all have ears, even though we cannot see them. We see different kinds of birds in this picture. They all look similar but are very different from each other. Each type of bird has different features which allow it to live in its surroundings. The body of a bird consists of head, beak, wings, feathers, legs, feet, and tail. Can you see their ears? They all have ears, even though we cannot see them because it is covered with feathers. Find out some other animals which have ears that we cannot see. Write their names. Now read and write. An animal with ears like a fan. Which animal has ears like a fan? Yes, an elephant. An animal with ears like leaves. Cow, buffalo. An animal with ears on the top of its head. A rabbit. An animal with ears on both sides of his head: deer, dog, etc. So you can write any names there. Find out the correct ears to the correct head and write the names of the animals. You know very well that ears help us to hear. In some animals you can see the ears, in some you cannot. We cannot see a bird's ear. A bird has tiny holes on both sides of its head. Generally, the holes are covered with feathers. They help the bird to hear. If you look carefully, you will see the tiny holes on a lizard's head. These are its ears. A crocodile also has ears like this, but we cannot see them easily. Now you know how to recognize animals by their ears. Let us see if we can recognize animals by their skin. Go for next page. Match the animals shown here with the picture of their skin. Make the correct pattern of the skin on the picture of each animal. The different pattern on the animals are due to their hair on their skin. Some animals protect themselves from their enemies by changing the color of their skin to match the color of their surroundings. Predators such as lions and tigers have brown colored fur that helps them to hide by merging with the color of the tall dry grass. This helps them to catch their prey easily. The white color of a polar bear helps it to merge with the white snow. Chameleons change the body color to match the leaves and branches of the trees. Have you ever seen an animal without hair or whose hair have been removed? Imagine how the animal would look if it did not have any hair on its skin. There would be no patterns. You might have seen some of animals given below. Put the names of the animals in the right column. Now some animals names are given here. Goat, names of animals are given below in the table. Put tick mark in the column according to their skin. Now goat has ears. Goat's ears can be seen. Hair has hair on the skin. The first one is done. So remaining you will do, put the correct animals. Tick mark the correct animals. Next we have ears to ears. Which animals? In which list did you put the cow and the buffalo from a distance? If you to meet an elephant, would you dare to touch it? Do you know that an elephant also has hair on its body? There are many different types of animals. They can be divided into several groups on the basis of their habitat and food habits. Habitat. What is habitat? Natural surroundings where the animals live. Habitat means natural surroundings where the animals live. Now some animals can be grouped into the following types according to the habitat. They are divided into different categories. So first, terrestrial animals. Animals which live on land are called terrestrial animals. Lions, tigers, elephants, goats, etc. are some terrestrial animals. Animals like rabbits and mongoose live in burrows. Moles and rats live in ground tunnels, and snakes live in holes made by other creatures. Animals that come out at night in search of food and water, they are called nocturnal animals. Some examples of nocturnal animals are owls, bats, moles, etc. Next we have aquatic animals. Animals which live in water are called aquatic animals. Fish, snail, whales, prawns, octopus and crabs are some aquatic animals. Aquatic animals are found in oceans, lakes, rivers and ponds. Arboreal animals. Animals which live mostly on trees are called arboreal animals. For example, monkeys, chimpanzees, chameleons, etc. Aerial animals. Animals that fly are called aerial animals. Some examples of aerial animals are birds such as sparrow, eagles, crows and vultures. Mammals like bats and insects like bees, flies Butterflies and moths are also aerial animals. Amphibians, animals that can live both on land and in water, are called amphibians. When they are young, they live in water. As adults, they spend most of their time on land. Some examples of amphibians are frogs, toads, etc. Now, adaptations to food. Animals eat different kinds of food. Some eat plants and some eat other animals. On the basis of their food habits, animals can be classified into four categories: herbivorous animals, carnivorous animals, omnivorous animals, and parasites. Animals which eat only plants and grasses are known as herbivorous animals. For example, cow, deer, goats are such type of animals. Carnivorous animals, animals that eat only the flesh of other animals, are known as flesh-eating animals or carnivorous animals. For example, lion, tiger, wolf, etc. Omnivorous animals, animals that eat both plants and the flesh of other animals, are called omnivorous animals. For example, bears, human beings, pigs, rats, crows, etc. are omnivorous animals. Next, go to the next page. Can you tell which of the animal mentioned in the list lay eggs? Find out and write the names of these animals in the green box. Which of the animals in the list give birth to the babies? Write their names in the red box. Now look again at the table on the previous page. Draw a line under the names of the animals whose names are in the green box. Put a circle around the names of these animals. So, what did you note? Those animals whose ears you can see have hair on their body. These animals give birth to the young ones. Those animals that do not have ears on the outside, do not have hair on their body, these animals lay eggs. Some animals give birth to young ones. For example, cats give birth to kittens, dogs give birth to puppies, animals like cows, lions, horses, elephants, and goats also give birth to young ones of their own kind. The young ones of these animals develop inside their mother's body. Such animals which give birth to young ones directly are called mammals. Human beings are also mammals. Some animals like birds, fishes, reptiles, and insects reproduce by laying eggs. Such animals are called egg-laying animals. Birds, all birds lay eggs. They build nests to lay eggs and raise their young ones. Fish lay eggs in water. Out of thousands of eggs, only a few hundred develop into tiny baby fish because most eggs are eaten by other bigger fish. Reptiles. Reptiles like snakes, turtles, lizard, and crocodile lay their eggs on the ground. The eggs get warmth from the heat of the sun. The eggshells are not very hard but soft and leathery. Most of these animals do not take care of their eggs or babies. and leave them to hatch and care for themselves. Most of the eggs are eaten by other animals. Now go to next page. Page number 16. Textbook page number 16. Look at this bird and write its name. Do you know that is a national bird? Where does it live? This is a national bird, peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Make a bird of your own and paste a picture. Now these birds are not seen easily at many areas. The peacock is our national bird. Draw a picture of that animal and color it. Give it a name of your own choice. You have to draw the picture and make your own bird with the paper. So this is the end of lesson number 2. Thank you.